Survive in our daily life, we need to earn money by performing various tasks. At the end of the day, a tired body needs rest. That's why I want a comfortable and relaxing sleep. That's why I want a comfortable bed that fits the body. And that's why I've researched a few mattress gel foams that I'm going to introduce to you today. So without delay, let's take a look. There are numerous options for cheap mattress products, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable mattress products from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nectar Twin Mattress 12-inch Medium Firm Gel Memory Foam. 365-night home trial. Our industry-leading year-long trial period starts the day your Nectar mattress is delivered. Sleep on it in all 4 seasons. Simple TO setup: just move the box to the room you want to use it in, unbox and unroll your mattress, and watch it expand before your eyes. Your Nectar will be snooze-ready in 24 hours. Gel Memory Foam. Nectar is a gel memory foam bed-in-a-box mattress designed for every kind of sleeper. It helps you sleep cool and conforms to every curve. Get support where you need it, and comfort where you want it. 5 layers of comfort. Sleep easy breezy on an airy, heat-wicking quilted cover with cooling technology. Gel Memory Foam cradles your body and relieves pressure, while the Dynamic Response Transition layer provides tailored support. Perfect support for any position, whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, or just toss and turn. Nectar offers optimal level of firmness, coolness, breathability, and comfort. Forever warranty. We guarantee the mattress for as long as you own it. We offer the longest warranty in the industry, and proudly stand behind our products. Number 2. TONS King Mattress 12-inch Memory Foam Mattress. Better sleep, better mood. TONS was created by a manufacturer that has focused on B2B business for 20 years, who has a high-quality, high-standard production line. The customer tenet for the past 20 years is better sleep, better mood. Happiness is having a better mood every day. Health is a prerequisite for happiness, and better sleep is a prerequisite for health. TONS mattresses take tender care of the whole family's better sleep. Why establish TONS? Because we want to promote our high-quality products to more customers, at the same time, share our stories with customers, and strive to make more customers have a better and more happy life. What are we paying attention to? We pay great attention to the customers' experience of product, service, and most importantly, the customer's mood after a good bedtime. Why choose TONS? We have 20 years of mattress production experience, a professional R&D team, and service team. We understand the needs of our customers better and care more about their mood. Number 3. Coolvi Full-Size Mattress 12-inch Hybrid Full Mattress. Motion isolation for a peaceful undisturbed sleep. The individual innerspring pocket coils in this bed mattress work independently. You don't have to worry about waking up your sleeping partner every time you climb into or out of bed or change position. Better support and pressure relief. Coolvi's innovative 5-zone spring support systems are designed to work in perfect harmony with foams to ensure a balanced, refreshed sleep with less tossing and turning and minimal partner disturbance. Independent pocketed spring design ensures that your body weight is evenly absorbed and distributed comprehensively from head to toe throughout the mattress. Also provides the targeted support to your body, proper back support and alignment. Breathable mattress design. The 12-inch full-size mattress is designed with 3D soft knit fabric on the top cover, which is breathable and skin-friendly, absorbing moisture and balancing body temperature. High-density memory foam under the cover promotes airflow when sleeping on this twin mattress. Coolvi mattress provides a cozy environment for better sleep. 100 days risk-free trial. Sleeping preferences vary from person to person. Each mattress comes with 100 risk-free nights trial. You can decide if the mattress work well with you. Any questions, please feel free to contact Coolvi customer support team at any time. Mattress in a box and fits all bed frames. This 12-inch hybrid mattress is compressed, rolled, vacuum sealed in a box, conveniently delivered to your door and easy setup. Please kindly wait for 48 to 72 hours to fully expand, for any potential odors to dissipate. It fits all kinds of full-size bed frames such as box spring, floor, slatted base, flat platform. Number 4. Mobley Queen Mattress, 12-inch memory foam mattress. Once, we had used fiberglass, long ago, we haven't been using fiberglass anymore. You and your family's health is our primary concern and protection. Material and construction. Mobley 12-inch memory foam mattress is designed with 3 layers all foam system, improving support and heat dissipation. Mattress layers include 2.5-inch memory foam, 2.5 of comfortable layer, and 7 of high-density base support foam for ultimate comfort. Health and hypoallergenic mattress. The foam has been certified by CertiPUR-US and Ecotech Standard 100 without harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. Comfortable and breathable, all foam bed design combined expertise and the best materials with advanced sleep technology. Memory foam conducive to continuous airflow and breathable, skin-friendly fabrics adapt to the environment to keep the mattress surface at the ideal sleeping temperature. Buoyant, no-sink support foams adapt and conform to your body for optimal pressure relief. Specialized foams reduce motion transfer of a partner so your sleep is undisturbed. Easy shipping and setup. Mattress is compressed and packaged in a box for shipping, allowing it to easily be delivered to your door and expand to its full lofty shape inside your home. They fit all frames, such as box spring, floor, slatted base, flat platform or adjustable bed, hospital bed. Number 5. Zinus 12-inch green tea memory foam mattress. General note, please allow 24 to 72 hours for your mattress to regain its full shape. Any memory foam will expand faster in a warmer room. In cold temperature, at delivery, your mattress may take a bit longer to return to full-sized from its compressed state. The expansion time of the mattress will vary as per the surrounding. General note, please allow 24 to 72 hours for your mattress to regain its full shape. Any memory foam will expand faster in a warmer room. In cold temperature, at delivery, your mattress may take a bit longer to return to full-sized from its compressed state. The expansion time of the mattress will vary as per the surrounding. The right combination, our special recipe for rejuvenating rest? Refreshing green tea and moisture-absorbing active charcoal infused into pressure-relieving memory foam that cradles your shape so you awake free of aches and pains and fresh as a daisy. Pressure-relieving comfort foam. Pressure-relieving foams, 3 inches conforming memory foam, 2 inches soft, airflow-enhancing comfort foam, and 7 inches durable, high-density base support foam, ideal for side sleepers and petite to average weight sleepers. CertiPUR-US certified highest quality foam is CertiPUR-US certified for durability, performance, and content. Expertly packaged, our technology allows this mattress to be efficiently compressed into one box that's easily shipped and maneuvered into the bedroom. Simply unbox, unroll, and this mattress does the rest, expanding to its original shape within 72 hours. Natural, refreshing green tea extract. Worry-free 10-year lid warranty included. Twin mattress supports a maximum weight of 250 pounds, while all other sizes can support up to 500 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.